As a builder, it has always been about people. Because people make the difference. And as we grow the next generation to drive us forward on a new path, we find ourselves revisiting our roots. Roots that have stood the test of time. We were founded on an innovative idea and the principle of finding a better way, on a belief in a new approach that bore a different kind of business. We started off hungry, no opportunity too small, no idea too big, using technology to our advantage when others clung to the ways of the past. We grew from our willingness to challenge the status quo. We stayed true to who we are and treated everyone like family, spanning generations. That sense of family continues to define our culture. Trusting our core values to set the tone and guide our hearts, we grew the future leaders that would hold us together through tougher times, and they forged a new path of stability. And as the clouds parted, we were ready to shine, ready to get back to growing our community by doing what we do best. Innovating, building, transforming. Our growth exceeded our own expectations, but we stayed grounded, humble, and committed to serving our communities. By continuing to innovate and expand our services, we built the team of the future, and together we are achieving groundbreaking, sky-scraping, monumental accomplishments. And we are leaving our mark on the skyline. This has never been a company of followers. It has always been a company of leaders, of people who thrive on outsmarting and out-hustling the competition. As we redefine our own path, we continue to be the pioneers, the dream makers, and the trailblazers. For us, it has always been about people, because our people make the difference. Because we are Paric. And after 40 years, we are just getting started.